Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for August 12th, 2023. I am JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. I'm very old. My intentions with the podcast are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend paying securities. I want to share investment ideas so that you and I can maybe make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own. They're just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in these podcasts. Not the one today, but indirectly I am. Disclaimer, do your own due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. Stock I'd like to talk about today is Chevron Corporation, symbol CVX on the New York Stock Exchange. Everyone knows Chevron, oil and gas producer, distributor, retailer, etc. The chart I'm showing you right now is a one-year chart, and I think what I'd like to show you is some alpha growth that we can see out of Chevron soon. Looks like at the bottom, the stochastics look like they're headed upward and towards the higher end, which shows that it's moving upward. You see the triangle that's formed over the past year, and it looks like we have a little bit of a breakout. We'll have to see if that continues. My thoughts are with oil prices going up, as well as margins rising for Chevron and everyone in the oil patch, you're going to see this stock go up, and I think we're headed towards the highs, close to 190. This chart here is from Fidelity.com, showing that the consensus EPS appears to have stopped falling and is going upward. I think these estimates are low for Q3 and Q4, which are the next earnings results that they're going to report, that Chevron's going to report. I think they're going to be much higher than that because of the price of oil going up, margins going up, operations improving for Chevron. I think this is going upward. I think the earnings are going upward. Another chart from Fidelity.com just showing the more historical earnings per share and just the trends. It looks like we're leveling out and are going to increase. I think it's going to be far better than it shows, like I said before. And I think that with that you can see that stock price will probably follow as well. That's why I'm thinking a 190 target on this thing in the next year or so is not out of the question. Backing up some of my assertions, I'll make it quick here. Profit margins are really good. Operating margins are good, and they're getting better. The return on assets and return on equity is quite nice. Revenue per share, $113 for Chevron. Gross profit, $98.89 billion. Holy moly. Stock price history, as you can see, it really hasn't done much in the past year. I think that's going to change. I think we're going to see a pretty good bump here, maybe in the neighborhood of 15 to 20%. Earnings are getting better, operations are better, oil prices are in the right direction. And lastly, Chevron fits my model for dividend increases. As you can see, from 2019 through 2023, you're looking at about 7 to 8% increase per year. That's where they're going. They want to return. Money to their shareholders, and it's going to continue. Chevron's a well-run company, very profitable, going in the right direction. Dividends are nice, in the neighborhood of 4%. If I get a chance, if this thing falls a little bit, I will probably piece in, but I have a pretty good stake in it right now. I have a pretty good size position in the XLE ETF, and Chevron's a good part of that. I believe it's 15% is Chevron, 24% is ExxonMobil. With that, I try to keep it short and sweet. I think Chevron's a good buy here, to be honest. I may piece in if it goes down a little further. If there's a drop in the stock market, I'll probably take Chevron with it. With that, I'd like to say thank you for listening. I hope you got something out of it. I know I get something out of it when I research. The song that you hear in the intro and the outro is from a band I used to play in, Just One Goat. It's a song called She's the One. I wrote it. The band recorded it. They did the magic. Thank you for listening. Happy investing, and see you next time.
I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. There were a few before you, but I really didn't care. I thought I had that feeling, now I know it wasn't there. It really is a crime, I've wasted all this time. She's the one. Oh, she's